Let's talk about how to make her feel loved. Minutes that matter every day. Happiness in a relationship is really built on grand gestures. Most often, it is built on moments, tiny moments, the kind we easily overlook. Most people think love requires huge sacrifice, expensive gifts, or dramatic displays. But for many women, happiness comes from simple, consistent emotional presence, not hours, just minutes. Minutes that communicating something deeper than words. I see you, I hear you, you matter to me. Tonight, we will explore the minutes that many women and truly many people need daily from their partner to feel safe, valid, and loved. Not stereotypes, not assumption, just woman, emotionally truths deliver gently. 1. The power of daily moments. Happiness in a relationship does not grow intensity, it grows from consistency. Studies in emotional psychology show that even 10 to 20 minutes of genuine emotional connection a day can transform a relationship. Not hours, not perfection, just presence. We are emotionally beings. We bond through attention, affection, and appreciation. And for many women and many men too, this small daily connection are the foundation of emotional safety. Let's break down the minutes that matter mostly. The first 3 minutes, morning presence. The first minutes of the morning sets the emotionally tone for the day. For many women, happiness beginning with something simple, acknowledgements, not a long conversation, no deep analysis, just presence. Second, 3 minutes of good morning, a soft touch, eye contact, a moment of warmth. It says you are not invisible. You are with someone who sees you. For many women, emotional security begins right here. Second, 5 minutes of undivided attention. We live in a distracted world. Phones, buzzing, schedules packed, minds scattered, but love cannot survive on half attention. Just 5 minutes of really listening each day can change everything. No more multitasking, no interruption, no phone. Just 5 minutes of active listening, asking, how are you really? Making space for thoughts, worries, dreams. This is where emotional intimacy grows. It is not about the length, it is about depth. This means communicate. Your inner world matters to me. For many women, this is one of the deepest form of love. 2. 2 minutes of affection. Affection is not always physical. It can be verbal, emotionally, a gesture, a tone. 2 minutes of attention daily can look like a kiss on the forehead, a warm embracing, a gentle hand on the back, a caring text message, a compliment spoken with sincerity. Affection realizes oxytocin, the bonding hormone, creating emotionally safety. For many women, affection is not luxury, it is reassurance. Third, 10 minutes of sheer presence. Presence does not always require conversation. Sometimes it's just being in the same space connected. Just 10 minutes of sitting down together in silence, preparing a meal side by side, sharing a walk, watching a show, breathing the same quiet. These moments build partnerships, companionship, teamwork. In a world filled with noise, The ability to share silence is a rare kind of love. Third, 3 minutes of appreciation. Everyone wants to feel valued, but for many women, appreciation is emotional nourishment. Just 3 minutes a day to say, thank you, I appreciate you, I'm grateful for what you do. You mean a lot to me. These words are not small. They remove resentment, stop insecurity, and deepen commitment. Appreciation is the oxygen of love. Fourth, 2 minutes of reassurance. Insecurity is part of being human. We all need reassurance sometimes. For many women, feeling emotionally safe requires occasionally reminders that the relationship is steady, stable, and intentional. 2 minutes of reassurance can be, we are okay. I am not going anywhere. I choose you every day. This word calm the hearts. They build trust. They silence fear. Reassurance is not weakness. It is emotional leadership. Fifth, 10 minutes of partnership. A relationship thrives when both partners feel supported. Partnership is not about splitting tasks 50-50. It is about showing up for each other in a meaningful way. 10 minutes daily can be helping with small tasks, sharing responsibilities, making decisions together. Ask, how can I help you today? These minutes build reliability, the kind of love that doesn't speak loudly but acts consistently. For many women, partnership is love in action. Let's reflect. The last 3 minutes of the day, the final minutes before sleep, are some of the most emotionally powerful. They determine how the heart rests and how the next day begins. 3 minutes to say good night, express love, leave the day behind, hold each other, speak kindness instead of conflict. These are the minutes that reminds us love is not measured for hours, but by quality of the moment we choose to give. If we give just 30 to 40 minutes a day to our relationship, we will transform the emotional world of the person we love. And when someone feels emotionally full, they return that love 10 times deeper. Love is simple. People are complex. But consistency solves both. Love grows in minutes, not months. Thank you.